You're not gonna find another one, ever. This is it. Kind of wish the forks had to ruin this car. I'm getting sad. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MMS172. Probably the most excited I've been for a junk car in a long time, guys. This is a Mitsubishi Galant VR-4. An extremely rare bird landed at J&J Auto Wrecking. Don't judge me for that. That was a terrible analogy. I thought I was being cool and didn't work out that way. 4G63, 6-bolt car, all-wheel drive, manual transmission, extremely rare. The gas tank has been removed. I don't know if you guys noticed this. We saved this thing from a crusher. Another local yard had this bad boy and they were crushing it. It was a complete car before they put the forks through it right here, but we do what we did best. We are still gonna part this thing out. It is not fixable now. Motor is gonna be sold complete with the turbocharger. It does run off ether. We might do that here for you in just a second, but there's literally no fuel tank inside of it. Yeah. Nice loaded front bumper. Clearly it's gonna need a respray, but it's a Galant VR-4. Like, you're not gonna find another one anywhere, ever. Needs a little bit of repair right there, but again, you're not gonna find another one, ever. This is it. Kind of wish the forks hadn't ruined this car. I'm getting sad. Yeah. OEM wheels, same deal. They're nasty, but you won't find them anywhere except for here. A lot of moldings on this car specific to the VR-4. We're gonna get those all listed for sale. This is a rear wheel steer car. Beautiful rear bumper, OEM taillight set. Nice OEM spoiler. Leather interior. We're gonna get this all pulled out and cleaned up and listed for sale, but we've got a nice set of door panels on this bad boy. A very nice Galant VR-4 leather seat set. I mean, look at these. The backstory of this car is very unfortunate. A local soldier perished in Afghanistan, and I believe this thing sat around since the Afghanistan war, like 05. So just kind of got rusted out underneath. They actually called and junked this thing. Somebody called and said, hey, I got a Galant in my yard, come and get it. Another salvage yard picked it up, not knowing what it is. Through the power of social media, we found this thing and we brought her home to where she belongs. Really like this car, if you guys can't tell. Driver's door panel is in good shape too. The seats, very nice. Get your checkbooks out, boys, because these are not gonna be cheap. Mason, you got some ether here? Not the kind of Ethereum that's at $4,000, the kind that starts a car? That kind of ether?
I should.
You should. Would you mind giving me a spritz of that? Gran Turismo dealership music. Let's fire that 4G63 up. We're just gonna run it for a quick second. Oh yeah, the clutch pedal is nil. Yeah, load her up with the old Ethereums.
Not all.
Oh no. Okay, well.
Andy, battery box, stat.
Too bad we went dealership music. Look at that odometer boost gauge. All this stuff is going to be listed for sale. Obviously, it's got some aftermarket carbon fiber on it. Rare as rare can be, though. Nice console. Window switch. We'll test that here. Oh, the windows are busted out.
Except for that one.
Except for that one. But
all the regulators were.
They all regulate. All right, give me that ether. Give it a second to suck it in. We'll do one more. Just a second, let me explain. We're not gonna run this thing for any period of time on ether. Do not be afraid. It does fire up, it has good oil. We do not hear any noises. So this is as far as we have tested this motor, guys. Pay attention. Yeah, it's just gotta make its way through the turbo. We're good, we're good. You guys saw it though, tested good. The cluster works with that beautiful digital boost gauge. This thing is freaking rad. I need this in my life. Change color. What?
Green?
What?
Red for race. Well,
Oh.
orange for race.
Oh. This is John's sad face. I love this car. Nice loaded dashboard though, complete with the limited edition plaque. This is number 354 of 2000. We actually found some documentation of the original owner. This thing was a one owner car, if you want to call it, in the same family its entire life until the unfortunate happened with it. Not a whole lot else I can test on this thing due to the nature of the beast, but you saw it here first, guys. We've got a running 4G63 swap in this bad boy, manual transmission, rear carrier, the ultimate DSM. This is the first Evo they ever made in America. I've run out of things to say about this car other than I love it. I just want to, I'm sorry in advance. That is going to wrap it up for MMS172, our Mitsubishi Galant VR-4. If you guys are looking for any parts off this car, I urge you very quickly to head on over to our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, or give us a call at 800-425-1555. As soon as this thing hits the old interwebs and you guys are seeing this video, the phone is going to start ringing. This stuff is not going to last. So just remember, guys, if you're first, well, if you're not first, you're last. There can't be two number ones, that's 11. So be the first one to buy all these parts. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking, guys. Thanks for watching.